Congratulations, Michelle and Andy.
Thanks, Karen.
With so many other destinations to choose from, why did you choose to get married on Anna Maria Island?
This was the only place that we wanted to come and have our wedding day, really. Would you agree?
It was a no-brainer.
Well, we've been coming here for many years, since the early 2000s, and it's just such a beautiful, special place for us. So when Andy proposed to me in December 2007, there was just nowhere else that we wanted to come. We chose to get married on Anna Maria Island because it's just so beautiful here, and it also holds real sentimental value. We came here with my mum and dad a few years back, and we had an amazing time. Well, we chose the sandbar for the site of our wedding, for the beautiful location right on Anna Maria Island, for the sunset wedding that we wanted of our dreams. Having our wedding at the sandbar has just been so special because all the people that have been involved, the beautiful setting, and it's just our most favourite place. Our guests have had a real blast on the island, using loads of the businesses, from the restaurants, the boutiques and the shops.
And the free trolley.
Having our wedding on Anna Maria Island at the sandbar has just been our dream wedding, and we can't recommend it more. We've just had the most amazing wedding here at the sandbar. We've met some amazing people, some really lovely people, made some great friends, and we just can't wait to come back.